What if I told you the real reason your lead magnet isn't growing your email list has nothing to do with your pop-up design or even your discount offer? What if the problem is that you've simply picked the wrong type of lead magnet altogether? Yes, it's true. Studies show that only around 22% of companies are genuinely happy with their lead generation conversion rates. That means nearly 8 out of every 10 businesses are struggling to find the right hook to turn visitors into subscribers. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why so many e-commerce store owners, especially those using Klaviyo, are missing out on high-quality subscribers, and more importantly, how you can fix this issue once and for all. Hi friend, I'm LIEZLE and I help early stage e-commerce entrepreneurs master Klaviyo so you can build profitable, stress-free businesses. I've seen firsthand how transformative the right lead magnet can be. And today, I'm excited to share how you can create a lead generation strategy tailored specifically to your brand, your products, and your ideal customer. So let's talk about some common lead generation mistakes in e-commerce. Most store owners start off using generic lead magnets because frankly, it's easy. The standard 10% off your first purchase pop-up, a downloadable guide they think their audience wants, or even giveaways that drive signups, but not necessarily sales. But here's the thing, those generic lead magnets attract low-quality subscribers who are often just chasing discounts or freebies if it's not for your audience. And that's not good for your business. You end up with a stagnant list and weak sales. Exactly the opposite of what a lead magnet is supposed to achieve. One common misstep I often see with clients, and even in my own early journey, is relying heavily on discount offers without ever questioning if that's truly what your audience wants or needs or is good for your business. In reality, interactive and personalized lead magnets like quizzes often significantly outperform generic discounts. Your business is unique, your products are unique, and your customers' needs are unique. So why settle for a one-size-fits-all lead magnet when your lead magnet doesn't resonate deeply with your ideal customer? Two major problems occur. One, you attract bargain hunters rather than serious buyers. And two, you miss out on capturing potential customers who would have gladly opted in if offered something that truly spoke to their interest or solved their problem. Trust me, I've seen this exact issue with my own clients, and I've experienced it myself. For 6 months, I stubbornly stuck with the lead magnet I was sure my audience needed. And to be honest, I still believe they do need it, but they don't know it yet. And after only gaining 26 new subscribers, I finally admitted defeat and created a truly aligned lead magnet that skyrocketed my list from 26 subscribers to 690 in a matter of months. This goes to show, when you are speaking to where your audience is instead of where you think they should be or where you think they are, it happens. One of my clients, for instance, she had a standard 20% off pop-up running on her site for months with a okay conversion rate of 2.4%. We tested everything, changing offers, tweaking designs, but nothing moved the needle. The real breakthrough came when we dove deeper into understanding her audience. We discovered the main hesitation wasn't about the price. It was uncertainty over which product was the right fit. So we developed a personalized product recommendation quiz. And the results? 20% of visitors who saw the quiz started it, 42% of those completed it and provided their email addresses. that was a game-changing improvement and a perfect example how crucial alignment is when it comes to your lead magnet strategy. In the last 3 months alone, this client of mine has made over $4,200 from her quiz. And if you take into consideration her overall revenue from the store, that is a big amount because it is still a new business. Now, my 5-step formula for fixing your lead gen strategy. If you are ready to turn things around, here's exactly what you need to do. 1, start with the right offer. This is crucial and where most people miss the mark. To help you get clarity quickly, I've created a short 2-minute quiz that identifies the exact type of lead magnet your e-commerce store needs. This quiz is specifically designed for Klaviyo users, ensuring your results are tailored to your products, your ideal audience, and your revenue goals. You can take the quiz right now at SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com/quiz. It's quick, insightful, and designed specifically to stop the guesswork and start growing your list immediately. 2, you want to promote your lead magnet everywhere. Don't rely solely on one pop-up. Include your magnet on product pages, checkout pages, and even your homepage banner for maximum visibility. 3, consistently share it on social media. Remember, most people need to see an offer multiple times before they take action. Keep it front and center to normalize your lead magnet. 4, invest in low-cost ads. Even a modest $5 to $10 daily spend on targeted ads can dramatically accelerate your growth. And 5, nurture your new subscribers immediately. Here's where Klaviyo really shines. Automate meaningful welcome sequences that engage and convert your subscribers from day one. If you're feeling stuck about which lead magnet will truly resonate with your audience, then I want you to stop guessing and just go take the 2-minute quiz, because it's really going to give you that insight and give you a starting point. Your lead magnet should do much more than just capture emails. It should filter out the bargain hunters and attract subscribers ready to buy. If your strategy feels stuck, don't copy what everyone else is doing. Create something uniquely aligned with your business. You want to test, and test some more, my friend, because once you've got that aligned lead magnet nailed down, I can promise you the bottom line of your revenue is gonna change, and it is going to be totally worth the effort you put in to create a great lead magnet and a great funnel after they take you up on the offer. So head on over SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com/quiz or check the link in the show notes. Until next week, my friends, happy emailing. And please never hesitate to pop me an email if you have any list building questions specifically for e-commerce stores. You can find me at LIEZLE@SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com. See you next week.